now we're going to pay off our remaining S loans. Kasi meron na po tayong car loan na babayaran. Anyway, para matapos na to. So, I still have 2 months unpaid. We're just going to pay it off na lang right now. Alright? Pay loan. Lahat. Pay. Oh. So, tingnan niyo. Shopee Pay ko, 0.58. So, we're going to pay with our Maribank. OMG. You've done it. Okay, kahit anong taas mo pa ng limit, I hope I won't have to use this again. So, dati I had S loans, 10 S loans at 4.95%. And now wala na. So, I really need the space so I can pay my car loan. Kasi nagsimula akong mag-car loan. And that's it. Hope to hear from you guys again. I missed you. So, until next time mga mi. Bye!